Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentino. In today's video, you will learn how to design Shopify e-commerce store banner in Photoshop. So I will take you step by step on how to get this amazing banner done in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. First thing you will do is to create a new workspace. Go to File, New. Okay. You're using Shopify banner. So I'll be using 10 by 5 inches. So hit create. So the first thing you're going to do is to let's drag in our image, our background. Select this, place it. So select circle, hold shift and drag. So to have a rounded shape. So if your own isn't showing this, sometimes you see this rectangle. So right click on it, select ellipse tool. So that I'll be able to see it. Okay. Place embedded. Select this. So I will embed link in the description below so that you'll be able to download all these background and icons I use for the project. So right click on this place, create a clipping mask. Okay. Ctrl J to duplicate. Select this layer, shift it a little bit. Shift. This is cool. Reduce the opacity a little. Duplicate the layer, take it back a little bit. Okay. Increase the layer to 100%. Go to this place, remove outline. Select this, remove outline. Okay. So let's import our picture. So first, let's group this. Select this, hold shift and select this layer. Ctrl G to group. Go to File, place embedded. Let's bring in our picture. So increase the layer. Okay. So if you want to select anything and you are not seeing it on the layer easily, so hold Control, click on it so that you will target the layer easily. So reduce this opacity a little more. This is cool. So bring it forward a little. Okay. Control S to save Shopify banner. Cool. So go to File, place embedded. Select this, reduce it a little. Okay. Double click on the layer, color overlay, change it to white, full white. Okay. Control S to save. So guys, please, if you like what I am doing and you like to support me to be able to make more video, kindly go to my channel and subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that you always receive notification anytime I drop any video. So go and do that now. I hope you have done that. So let's continue. So let's import all the icons I use for this project. So place embedded. Select this, enter, place embedded. enter, 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 enter. Okay, I think this is all for now. So hold shift, select all the layer, press Ctrl T to transform, move them aside. So select the suit layer, Ctrl T to transform, increase it a little bit. Okay, so select the shoe layer by holding Ctrl, click on it to target the layer easily. Okay, hold Ctrl, select this, Ctrl T to transform. Okay, hold Ctrl, select this, Ctrl T to transform. Okay, hold Ctrl, select this, Ctrl T to transform. Okay, Ctrl S to save. Okay, so let's type in our text. About products. Okay, change it to white. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Ctrl T to transform, enter. So right click on this layer, go to constant shape, go to this place, select this. So let's use this as our navigation for the page, for the banner. So this is a product page. Okay, Ctrl S to save. So let's type in our text. Special sale only today. Cool. So click on this place, select this color. Okay, bring this to the middle, click on text, click on this place, change it to arc. Okay, bring it down a little, like 20. This is okay. So Ctrl T to transform, increase it. Okay, so double click on the layer, stroke, select white. In case your own is not showing, that means it is like this inside, so change this to outside. Make the border 8 is okay. Okay, right click on this stroke, create layer. You understand? So the stroke will be different. Like the stroke will be in a different layer from this main text. You see it? Okay, hold Ctrl, click on this text layer, special. Click on this, hold Ctrl, click on this layer, select the stroke layer. Okay, go to select, modify, expand to 3 3 pixels. Okay, I think this is okay. Please select the stroke layer, hit delete. Okay, this is cool. So group this. Okay, group this. Okay, Control S to save. So increase this a little bit. Cool. So okay, so let's type in our test. 30% off. Change it to white. Okay, Control T to transform. Increase it. Right click on it. Skew. Drag this side up. Okay, this is cool. Shift this a little bit. Control S to save. So right click on this place, select ellipse 2. So let's add ellipse shape to these places. We'll be using it as our price tag. Okay, take this back. Okay, so Control J to duplicate it. Bring it down here. Hold Control, select this. So we'll be taking it up. So that will be under each image. Hold Control, select this. Okay. Control J to duplicate. Bring this down. Bring it down here. Okay. So Control J to duplicate. Bring this here. Reduce this. So group them all. Group all of them. Group everything. Control G to group. Okay. Control S to save. So let's type in our price tag. Let's use anything. Hold Alt, then drag them to duplicate it to all layers. Let's take this up to the first layer. Everything will be visible. So hold Alt, duplicate them. Hold Alt, duplicate them. Okay. Hold Alt, duplicate this. So I click on this place, select rectangle 2, then drag it here, draw it here, change it to white. This is cool. Control S to save. So let's type in the remaining text. Shop now. Learn more. Okay. Highlight this. Control X to cut it. I want it to be a separate text. Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl T to transform, reduce it. Ctrl T to transform. Ctrl T to transform. Select this. So add white to the outline. Increase it a little bit. Sorry. Let's make it 3. 3 will be okay. Okay. Shift this. Hold Alt to duplicate. Shortcut for duplicate. Just hold Alt. Drag it. Okay. Shop now. Shift it a little bit. Hold Ctrl. Select this layer to select this layer. Okay. If you want to select any layer and you don't see the layer here, like if your layer is like mine, and it will be easy for you to find anything in the layer. So if you want to select anything, hold Ctrl, click on it to target it, to locate it any place it is. Okay. So click on this layer, custom shapes. So let's use some text and decorate our design so that it will look cool. Change it to white. So let's look for another text. So let's use this. It's already in white. Ctrl J to duplicate this. Ctrl T to transform. Right click on the layer. Flip horizontal. Enter. Okay, this is cool. Ctrl S to save. So let's find one more text, one more shape to add. Yeah, let's add this. It's already in white. So let's find one more and add. Okay, this is okay. So I think this will be the last one we'll add so that our design will look too busy. Okay. So let's summarize our design. Hold Ctrl Shift Alt, then press E to merge all these layers to one single layer. Then go to File, Camera Raw. Increase the clarity. Go to this hue and saturation, and luminance layer. Select saturation. Increase this. Okay. Increase this. Okay. Ctrl S to save. So guys, this is at the end of today's tutorial. Please, if you do not understand anything or you are finding anything difficult to do, drop your comments, drop your question in the comment below so that I'll be able to help you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you'll be able you get notification anytime I drop new video. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.